Guys, today is Wednesday. I hope everyone's day is off to an amazing start. Thanks so much for stopping in today, guys. All right, so today I am finally here, guys, to deliver the details on this fabulous, curly, bouncy ponytail. So many of you guys have inquired, all right, down in the comments, you want the details on how, guys, I put together this ponytail. Well, today is the day I am here to deliver. First things first, though, I would like to send a huge thank you out to Cam Home Tech for sponsoring today's video. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for sending Eric, Chase, and I over your OLVA, O-L-V-A-S camera. Oh my gosh, we love it. All right, so guys, I will leave the link right here for you guys to go and check the camera out for yourself. If you are so inclined, you will be able to receive 35% off of your purchase. All right, just use the code, and it will also be right here. I'll also leave it down in the description box, but the code, guys, is OLVA, O-L-V-A 35 off, all right, to get 35% off of your purchase, guys. Now, I know that many of us are finishing up spring break, but summer is just right around the corner, and if you are anything like my family, you will be traveling. Guys, do not leave your home unattended, unprotected. All right, this camera is perfect for that. All right, just a few short days ago, Eric and I actually went out on a double date. Hi, Nina. And we left Chase home, and we had the camera in place, and we were able to, using the app, which Eric, by the way, is going to talk you guys through here in just a minute. It is so super simple to use, but just on our phone, we were able to sit at dinner and look around the house just to make sure everything was okay and secure. So I cannot say enough great things about this camera. It is perfect, okay? And you guys cannot beat the price. $59. $59, guys, is the retail price for the OLVA S. And if, again, you use the coupon code, you will be able to get 35% off of your purchase. All right, so enough talking. Let's get into the little bit of tutorial that we have for you on the camera. But guys, you'll see it is so super simple. And then we'll get into this ponytail tutorial.
As we kind of interrogate all the components that came with this camera, the first thing that I noticed and that I'm happy about is not a lot of parts here. You got the basic body of the camera, you got the plug and the cord to charge the camera, kind of a standard USB type cord. You've got some mounting material, so you can either use screws, or it looks like they give you kind of the 3M sticky tape that you can use to stick to a surface. What we're actually thinking about in terms of positioning is we might actually move this around the home. So I don't even know if we're going to mount this, because I think we want to test it in a few different rooms and kind of keep our flexibility. And I also noticed the instruction manual is really small, which I think is a good thing, because that typically means it's going to be something that's easy to install. And it looks like a lot of it is done by just scanning in this QR code and downloading the app. Since we're not going to be mounting this unit, let's go ahead and remove the components that we're not going to use. And all we are left with are three simple pieces: the unit itself, the plug, and the cord. So we're just gonna plug it in and get started. So here we go, guys. As you can see, the camera is set up, and what I'm displaying on my phone here, and you can actually hear the reverb from the camera, is the camera pointing outward and showing the display on the cell phone here. So once again, we want to give a huge shout out and thank you to the Cam Home Company for sending us this wonderful OLVA S camera. All the details about this camera and how you can get it will be in the description box below. My overall thoughts on this camera, you guys know on this channel, we're very big on security. I think this is a great addition to our home security, and I think it'll be a great addition to your home security as well.
All right, guys, so now because this particular ponytail requires a lot of gel, I always started out on freshly washed hair. Now, the products that I am going to use, guys, you just use what works for you. Here are the main two products that you'll need for this, and of course, your hair ties and your standard grooming tools. Now, once I get my hair just about 90% or so dry, I kind of finger detangle it. Don't necessarily use a comb here for this stage of the ponytail. I'm just stretching it a little bit with my hands. Now guys, as I apply the gel and the edge control throughout my hair, I am not necessarily concerned with getting my hair extremely smooth. I rather like for my 4C hair to maintain a lot of the texture. Once my hair dries completely, the 4C curl pattern just really shines through, and I just love the look of it. For me, it creates more of an overall natural look as opposed to a 100% sleek look, if that makes any sense. And so here, guys, I'm just using my wide tooth comb and really trying to work the products through so that they are distributed evenly throughout my hair. Here at this point, guys, you can get as creative as you like with your little edge designs. I am really simple, really basic. I've said this countless times here on the channel. I just love a really natural look. So I'm not doing a whole lot here with my edges. And then I'm simply going to gather the hair up, guys, and apply my hair tie. And so guys, once I have every hair in its place, as you can see there, guys, my 4C curl pattern is really starting to pop. I just love this particular natural ponytail as opposed to the sleek ponytails. I just love the natural look of it. So once every hair is in place, I go ahead, guys, and apply my scarf. I leave my scarf on for as long as I can. If I'm not rushed, I will leave this on until the next day. Sometimes I will actually let it dry overnight or get under the hair dryer. All right, so on to the hair. Guys, believe it or not, I used some leftover crochet twists to achieve the ponytail. Yes, I absolutely did. I had all this hair left over from a few other twist styles, and I said, you know what, not really looking to do the twist hairstyles anytime soon. Why not go ahead and put some of this hair to good use? So here is a look, guys, at what the hair looks like, obviously in its natural twist state. And here it is, guys, unraveled already in a cute little ponytail. The ponytail, guys, that I'll be using today is a little bit different from the one I just showed you in that the curl pattern is a lot similar to my natural curl pattern. As you can see there, guys, it's really bouncy and just really soft and fluffy. I will actually leave the link to this particular hair into the description box below. I just love this hair. I purchased it from Amazon. The other hair I shared with you guys, I just purchased at my local beauty supply store. So to form the hair in a ponytail, I just gathered it up, grabbed my little hair tie there, kind of squished it into the shape of an 8 or, you know, maybe a little peanut, and just simply wrapped it around itself, creating like a little bit of a basket, guys. I don't know, that doesn't make any sense at all, but anyway, guys, that is it.